Greetings, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel. Please feel free to like the video, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification icon. We've got an exciting topic today: the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, a smartphone that's causing ripples in the tech world. And guess what? We've got a cash offer waiting for you at the end of this video. Plus, there's a link in the description box that will lead you right to where you can snag this innovative piece of tech. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the stunning features of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The first thing you notice about the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is its sleek design. This smartphone is a perfect blend of sophistication and style, fitting comfortably in your hand with its slim profile. It's neither too hefty nor too light, striking an ideal balance in weight. The color options are equally impressive, offering a palette that caters to a range of tastes. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra boasts a ceramic body, a material choice that suggests both durability and elegance. This, coupled with the sturdy aluminum frame, gives the device a robust yet refined feel. The design isn't merely about aesthetics, it's a testament to Oppo's commitment to quality and attention to detail. The phone's unique features don't stop at the exterior. An array of innovative elements awaits within, ready to elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. But the Oppo Find X7 Ultra isn't just a pretty face, it's packed with top-notch tech too. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a beast. Now, let's delve into what makes this phone a powerhouse. At the heart of the device is a top-tier processor that's designed to handle anything thrown at it, from heavy gaming to seamless multitasking. This processor, coupled with ample 12 to 16 gig RAM, ensures that your phone operates smoothly, no matter how many apps you have open. Storage options? The Oppo Find X7 Ultra has you covered. With generous onboard 256 gig to 512 gig storage, you have ample space to store all your favorite apps, photos, and videos. And if you ever run out, there's always the option to expand it further. Now, let's talk battery life. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra exhibits a turnaround in battery and charging capabilities. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, it adequately supports power users throughout a day. However, our tests indicate that it falls short of possessing the longest battery life among large-sized phones. Particularly during our gaming benchmark, battery drain raises concerns, likely due to the GPU operating at maximum capacity, a scenario uncommon in most games. Nevertheless, ColorOS efficiently manages background tasks, potentially extending usability into a second day under lighter usage. For quick top-ups, the phone boasts the ability to draw 85W from the wall, achieving a full charge in just 30 minutes, a commendable speed. Despite its strong hardware, the software setup and absence of warranty render it unsuitable for recommendation to global consumers. However, with Oppo's recent collaboration with Nokia, there's hope for the return of its flagship smartphones to Western markets in the near future. Now let's talk about its performance in various scenarios. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra excels here too. Be it gaming with high-resolution graphics or multitasking between multiple apps, this device offers a seamless and lag-free experience. And if that wasn't enough, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra also boasts an impressive camera setup. But we'll get into that in the next scene, so stay tuned. For the shutterbugs out there, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra has a lot to offer. Armed with a quad-camera setup, this beauty is ready to capture your world in stunning detail. It boasts a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel macro lens. This versatile array ensures you're equipped for any photographic scenario. Now let's talk about special features. Night mode, anyone? The Oppo Find X7 Ultra excels in low-light conditions, transforming night into day with its powerful sensor and AI enhancements. And speaking of AI, the smart scene recognition can adjust settings on the fly to get the perfect shot. Imagine capturing a crimson sunset, a bustling cityscape, or a close-up of a dew-kissed rose with crystal-clear precision. Sample photos taken with this phone demonstrate its impressive capabilities, capturing colors, textures, and light in a way that truly brings images to life. Clearly, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a powerhouse in both performance and photography. So, there you have it. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra, a smartphone that truly stands out in the crowd. With its next-level tech specs, from the stunning display to the powerhouse processor, it's a device that's sure to impress. And let's not forget the camera capabilities. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or a selfie enthusiast, this phone has got you covered. Now remember we mentioned a cash offer? Well, it's time to reveal it. For a limited time, you can get a hefty discount when you purchase the Oppo Find X7 Ultra through the link in the description box. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Whether you're in the market for a new phone or just a tech enthusiast, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is worth checking out. And if you want to stay updated with the latest in tech, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more tech updates.